how to add tabs on your business Facebook page using only your mobile phone. In this video, you will learn the 4 easy steps on how you can add your tabs on your business Facebook page. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the complete screen record on how to do this step by step and how to arrange or remove your Facebook business page tabs. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Keep in mind that only admins and moderator can edit these page tabs. So, ngayon ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-add ng tabs or mag-arrange ng tabs sa business Facebook page mo. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to add a tab on your business Facebook page. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to. And smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.